Hi foodies, welcome back to Bacon Make Snacks episode number 5. Today we are making an irresistible Asian style baked chicken that's bold, flavorful and oven friendly. Let's start with the marinade. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I am using pan-thai fish sauce here, a tablespoon and a little more of lemon juice, about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon or 2 of finely chopped cilantro, a heaped teaspoon of chili powder for the spice, a tablespoon of brown sugar for a tint of sweetness and adequate salt. Now let's mix everything really well until it forms a deliciously aromatic marinade. Here I have taken 800 grams of skinless chicken, bone-in and cut into big pieces. Let's liberally pour the marinade all over the chicken. Toss it well so the marinade coats every nook and cranny. This ensures the flavor seeps deep into the meat. Cover and refrigerate for at least an hour, or even better is overnight marination. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees centigrade and give it 10 minutes. Now look at the beautifully marinated chicken. This has been resting in my fridge for 3 hours. Let's arrange the pieces on a baking tray. As we place them, imagine the flavors: tangy lemon, umami from the soy and fish sauce, a sweet spicy kick from brown sugar and chili, all mingling with the gingery garlic paste. This is going to be packed with flavor. All you need is just 40 more minutes. Bake it for 40 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's time to flip the chicken pieces. Flipping the chicken halfway through the cooking ensures even cooking and keeps the chicken juicy from all sides. And now look at this. After 40 minutes, the chicken is perfectly baked, juicy and so aromatic. The deep color and that slightly charred edge, absolutely mouth-watering. You can stop right here or elevate it further with a quick glaze using the leftover marinade. In a pan, add the leftover marinade along with half cup of water. As it starts to bubble, mix 1½ teaspoon of corn flour with a little water to make a slurry. Pour this into the pan and stir continuously to get a beautiful glossy sauce. Drizzle this flavorful glaze over the baked chicken. It not only enhances the taste but makes it look irresistibly appetizing on the plate. Enjoy this finger-licking Asian-style baked chicken hot. It's perfect for a party platter, Sunday dinner, or when you crave a spicy oven delight. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mellowbites for more flavorful adventures. Meet you in another video. Bye.